All right, let's break down 4 stocks I'm watching right now, and whether I think they're worth a buy in July 2025. First up, Centene, ticker CNC. The new One Big Beautiful Bill Act just cut Medicaid funding, so that's a big headwind for CNC since they rely on government healthcare contracts. But here's the twist. The entire healthcare sector is actually projected for nearly 15% profit growth this year. So even with policy risks, there's a growth story here, especially if CNC can adapt. Next, Fiserv, ticker FI. If you like the intersection of finance and tech, FI is a play on the AI and data center boom we're seeing in 2025. Plus, interest rates are holding steady, and the Fed even hints at cuts later this year. That's good news for financials. If you believe in the future of digital payments and financial tech, FI is one to watch. Third, Copart, ticker CPRT. This one's trickier. New tariffs set to hit in August could push car prices up, and that might disrupt Copart's vehicle auction business. On the flip side, volatility often creates opportunity, and CPRT has weathered storms before. Just know there's a risk here if tariffs stick. Finally, PG&E, ticker PCG. The energy sector's been rough this year, but with AI and data centers demanding more power, utilities like PCG could be long-term winners. Interest rates stabilizing also helps utilities manage costs. So, which would I buy? FI and PCG look the most promising to me right now, but as always, do your own research, stay diversified, and invest with a plan. Catch you in the next one.